What's up, guys? It's Johnny. Let's go to Best Buy right quick so they can install that GPS navigation double-din Soundstream head unit that I showed you guys the other day with the unboxing video. They're gonna put that in this 2005 Honda Civic, guys. Check this out. So we got this Sony head unit in here right now. It's a Bluetooth CD player, Sony. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Sony CD player and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in that car over there. And we're gonna put in this car here, this Soundstream DVD GPS navigation source unit. And the installation kit, of course, that you need in order to mount it on there. Let's head out to Best Buy, guys. Let's go. So we're pulling up to a Best Buy right here for total tech support. They're gonna install this GPS unit into the Honda Civic. I'm about to go check it in, guys, and we'll check it out as soon as the car's ready. All right, guys, see you shortly. All right, so they told me to roll up through the backside of the store to the installation bay. All right, where's it at? Yeah, now I'm gonna check it in and let you guys know what's up in a minute. All right, here we are. Well, you know what, here we, bam. That's what we got right now, and that's what we're gonna install. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, we're pulling out of Best Buy. They just installed that double-din Soundstream 6.2-inch navigation unit. And check this out, guys. This is how much it would have costed me if I would have just brought it in like that, but because I am a total tech support member, I didn't pay anything at all. It's covered. That $200 membership took care of this right here, guys. $149 is what I would have paid for the installation of this double-din here, but because I have total tech support, it was covered. All right, guys, I gotta drive home, so I'm not gonna be on the phone, but Best Buy, good looking out. Well, there it goes, guys. Navi works. I just left Best Buy. Looks clean, sounds good. All right. I just hooked up my phone Bluetooth to it. It works. I tested that out. Everything looks good, guys. So, I mean, I'll do another video later where we can actually check out all the features that this Soundstream 6.2-inch GPS unit has. But for now, guys, I just wanted to show you the total tech support. They installed this. It would have been $149. I didn't pay anything because it was covered under my membership. Guys, I just wanted to show you the way this thing looks at night. It has the color illumination. It changes colors. I'm sure you could set it to just one color, but I have it just rotating between colors. Loading, huh? Loading, loading, loading. There it is, DVD. I already had the DVD in there. There it is. It looks alright, guys. I mean, alright, guys, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Stay tuned for more. Like, comment, share, subscribe.